The world has evolved at a breathtaking speed over the last year. Industry 4.0 and Education 4.0 have embraced a whole new approach towards progressive learning and technology. Do you want to stay ahead of the competition with a futuristic approach to education? Join us at Sandeep University and pursue an education synced with Industry 4.0. Sandeep Group of Institutes was established in 2008 under the Sandeep Foundation. A sprawling campus spread across 250 plus acres is set up in Nashik, Maharashtra, and a magnificent campus stretching across 75 plus acres is set up in Sizol, Bihar. Despite being a young university, we are already recognized by the University Grants Commissions. We are the first ever self-financed university in the state of Maharashtra.
Sandeep University was recognized as the 5th best B-School private university in India and as the 3rd best BBA private university in India by the Times Top Institutes of West India Survey 2020. Sandeep School of Commerce and Management Science offers cutting-edge undergraduate and postgraduate programs synced with Education 4.0 and Industry 4.0. Our undergraduate programs are BBA Honours with specialization in Marketing Management, Financial Management, Human Resource Management, Operations Management, Information Management, Entrepreneurship, Agri-Business Management, BBA with specialization in Financial Management, Marketing Management, Human Resource Management, International Business, Event Management, BCom with Tally certification in Accounting and Finance, Costing, Banking and Insurance, Financial Markets. Our postgraduate programs are MBA with specialization in Marketing Management, Financial Management, Human Resource Management, Operations Management, Entrepreneurship, International Business, Agri-Business Management, Healthcare and Hospital Management, Information Technology, Fashion Business Management, Financial and Intangible Assets Valuation, Industry-Linked MBA with specialization in Banking and Finance, Data Science, Business Analytics, Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, MCom in Accounting and Finance. Experienced faculty. Most of our faculty members have 15 plus years of teaching experience with PhDs and master's degrees from reputed university across India. Patents. The Sandeep Group of Institute has collectively filed over 120 patents and 57 copyrights in engineering, pharmacy, polytechnic and other departments. We are ranked among the top 10 emerging educational institutes in India because of our tireless pursuit of innovation and excellence. Global Alumni Network. Sandeep University has an alumni network of over 10,000 students across the globe. Every year, a large number of international students apply to Sandeep University to pursue a pioneering education. Campus placements. Sandeep University provides 100% placement assistance through multiple annual in-house placement drives, 130 plus students placed in 2019-20. Average annual package of 2020-21 is 4.1 lakh rupees. Highest annual package of 2021 is 7.8 lakhs rupees. Global Placement Partners. Our global placement partners are Conclusion. At Sandeep University, we strive for distinction as we do not believe in anything that is second best. Our students are our brand ambassadors in the world, and so it is our duty to provide them with a world-class education from day one. It's time to choose a brand new future. It's time to choose Sandeep University.